from sun to the earth takes place mainly through the process of blank radiation. ठीक, इधर इधर नहीं जुटा था तो यहाँ नेट खत्म हो गया, तो नेट खत्म हो गया तो फिर हट गया। तो हाँ,
बोर्ड दिखाना है मैडम,
बोर्ड दिखाना है।
हाँ, ये
तो हम तो इन लोग से पूछ रहे क्वेश्चन आंसर
पूछ रहे हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन दिखना चाहिए बोर्ड ना, आप दिखना चाहिए, पढ़ा आप रही है ना।
ओ ठीक,
ऑनलाइन जो बच्चे हैं वो आपसे कनेक्टेड है, इससे कोई पूछे।
अच्छा ठीक,
हम ऑनलाइन जा रहा है ना, तो ऑनलाइन वाले बच्चे आपको जान रहे हैं।
अच्छा
इन
ठीक,
बच्चों को जान के क्या करेंगे?
ठीक,
अब जो यहाँ एक्टिविटी करेगा वो बच्चों को जाएगा।
अच्छा ठीक,
कोशिश कीजिए ज्यादातर एक्टिविटी बोर्ड करें।
तो हम कहिए तो हम छोड़ देते, क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं पूछते हैं, बोर्ड से करें।
क्वेश्चन आंसर तो
नहीं बोर्ड का करते हैं,
खाली इस बच्चों को पूछना हो गया ना।
हाँ हाँ,
ऑनलाइन में जितने बच्चे हैं वो सब क्या करेंगे फिर? इसको तो खाली सुनाई दे रहा है।
हाँ, तो है,
उसको भी तो इन्वॉल्व करना है, इन लोगों को भी इन्वॉल्व करना है, उन लोगों को भी इन्वॉल्व करना है। तो कुछ ऐसा चीज हो कॉमन जो इनके लिए भी बेनिफिशियल हो, उनके लिए भी बेनिफिशियल हो, वो करना है।
तो ठीक है सर, हम पढ़ा ही देते हैं।
हाँ
हाँ हाँ, वही ठीक रहेगा मेरे लिए। हाँ नहीं, हाँ रिवाइज सिलेबस तो खत्म है, बस रिवाइज करा देना, ठीक है। तो हम क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं पूछेंगे, मेरे लिए तो ठीक है। एक सेकंड रुको। टेम्परेचर इज डिग्री ऑफ hotness and coldness. Heat as a energy. Heat is considered as a energy. And what is the direction of flow of the heat? From higher temperature to lower temperature.
Ma'am, lower temperature.
Hottest
Higher temperature to lower temperature.
Ma'am, your video is paused.
Ma'am, your audio is also paused.
If
Ma'am, you are not audible. Ma'am, you are not audible clearly.
Ma'am, video is paused.
Ma'am, your voice is
And is also paused.
in the physical change of
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
your voice is not.
when body is dead, what happened?
मैम आपको वीडियो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा, पूरा ब्लैक है।
When water is it get converted into gaseous form.
यार हो गया क्या?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
When it is heated, it get converted into gaseous form. One state of change
Ma'am,
into
your voice is
another.
not.
When water get heated on the 15 and 39 degrees Celsius, when the iron heated, it gets converted into liquid iron.
क्या? Ma'am, your voice is not
Ice
clear.
get out to the ice from the refrigerator. What happens? Ice takes the temperature from surface.
Your voice.
The milk, when the milk is boiled, what happens? All of you mute your mic. Mute your mic. Nalin, when the milk is heated, so thermal expansion takes place. Whatever air present in the milk, that expand, and the liquid also expand. That's why you will see how the volume of the milk is increases when it is heated. तो
पढ़ते रहिए, आप पढ़ते रहिए।
when the solid is heated, then the thermal expansion also takes place. As when you have to open the cover of the sauce or open the cover of the bowl, any container, what you do? You heat the cover of the container. नहीं, सॉस का बोतल जो है क्या करते हो उसके लिए? केवल ओपन करते हो, उसके कभी चूल्हा के पास, गैस के पास जाकर के उसका हीटिंग नहीं करते हो? नहीं किया है? अच्छा ये, हाँ, अच्छा सुगंधी का ये चप्पल जो है वो कहाँ उसका चप्पल खरीद करके अच्छा ठीक सर, ऐसा ही रखेंगे।
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
तो वो क्या था?
Ma'am,
Voice is not coming.
Ma'am, now coming clearly.
now is coming clearly.
My mic is on mute. Now it is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
it's coming.
So, all of you have seen in summer season how the insulated wire breakdown. Have you seen insulated wire that is for conducting of current? So why it breakdown? It is the heating. When the electricity flows through the current, due to this heating, it breaks down. हाँ, जितने
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Yes,
Ma'am, you are not audible.
बढ़ता है,
Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am, you are muted. Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am, your mic is not on.
Ma'am, you are muted. Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Due to मुझे लगता है मैम को नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम।
Ma'am, you are muted. You.
Unmuted. Now I am unmuted. So it is thermal expansion. Now chemical change. Chemical change. When heating is done, like the sulfur is heated with the iron. Sulfur is heated with iron. What happened? It forms iron sulfide, FeS. So when it forms the iron sulfide, the chemical change takes place. सब लोग सर के तुम ध्यान मत दो, हम जो पढ़ा रहे हैं ये मौका मिल गया दोबारा पढ़ाने का, तो तुम लोग पढ़ो उधर। तो हीटिंग, when potassium chlorate is heated in the laboratory, potassium chlorate breaks down into potassium oxide and oxygen. next carbon di ये calcium carbonate CaCO3 where it is situated what form अभी 2 दिन पहले ये क्लास में हुआ था कौन सा रिएक्शन में कौन सा रिएक्शन where calcium carbonate is situated it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So it is chemical change. Now, breaking down of calcium carbonate into calcium oxide and oxygen is chemical change. Now, measurement of temperature. Temperature is measured by a device that is known as thermometer.
Ma'am,
There are different type of thermometer present in the market and they are used for the different purpose. Now, the structure of thermometer, that is mercury in glass thermometer. It is the typical thermometer.
हम laboratory.
मरकरी किसको क्या कर देता है क्या करता है कहाँ देखो ये रिएक्शन कहाँ देखे हो हाँ मरकरी से क्या होता है बोलो बोलो जोर से बोलो ना मरकरी से क्या होता है
बॉडी का टेम्परेचर के लिए मैम जो थर्मोमीटर यूज होता है उसमें वो यूज होता है ताकि वो मेजरमेंट लॉस ना कर दे
खड़े होके बोलो
क्लिनिकल
मास्क थोड़ा हटा के बोलो तो एल्युमिनियम का क्या होता है मेल्टिंग उसका बॉडी एल्युमिनियम का हमको ये नहीं हमको नहीं आता है कि मरकरी जो है नहीं याद है कि मरकरी जो है एल्युमिनियम को कैसे मेल्ट कर देता है हाँ ये हमको नहीं याद है नहीं आता है अभी चलो पहले थर्मोमीटर पढ़ो अब मरकरी का जो है मरकरी एक स्पेशल मेटल्स है दैट एग्जिस्ट
मैं बताऊं
exist in liquid form at the room temperature है ना it is exception all the metals exist in the solid form whereas mercury that exists in liquid form at room temperature and this mercury is used for the making mercury in glass thermometer what is the structure of mercury in glass thermometer it is very important to know for gaining knowledge as well as for gaining marks it may come in the exam for 2 or 3 marks it is consist of narrow capillary flow that is closed at its upper end and has a in the ball-like structure, and in this tube, mercury is filled, and raised portion of the thermometer is calibrated. Calibrated मतलब लिखा होता है ना उसमें 1 2 3 4 5 लिखा होता है when the mercury is one end of the thermometer measure filled with the mercury and that end is put inside the body any body which have to take the temperature then mercury expands and expansion of the mercury indicate the temperature of that particular body so it is the structure of the mercury in glass structure It is loop like a structure, and what is this block with the glass? There is other end having mercury, and the rest portion of the thermometer is calibrated. Again, this portion, the portion which have mercury is put inside the bottle. In which body? Which have to take the temperature. जिसका temperature लेना है, measure करना है. Then mercury expands and rises up. And the length to which the mercury rises up, it indicates the temperature of that particular body. Now, different country use the different scale for measuring the temperature. These are Fahrenheit and Kelvin and degree Celsius. Fahrenheit, Kelvin and Celsius. Our India measure in degree
Ma'am,
Celsius.
anybody is asking
Fahrenheit,
something.
है ना? Mostly it is in Fahrenheit, and that's why Celsius also. But normally it measure in the Fahrenheit. हाँ 106, 107 ही समझते हैं. वेरी गुड. ज्यादातर लोग 107, 106 ही समझते हैं. मतलब उस समय क्या है कि बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऐसे नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है ना ये, लेकिन क्या टेम्परेचर रीड करते हैं तो समझते हैं कि 100 डिग्री फीवर था, 101, 102. तो it is measurement in the Fahrenheit, है ना. This temperature measurement is in Fahrenheit. In the normal body temperature in degrees Celsius, 36.9 degrees Celsius, whereas is in Fahrenheit, 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Water boiled at 100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius.
Whereas in Fahrenheit, it is boiled at 212 Fahrenheit. Water freeze at 0 degrees Celsius, whereas it boil at 32 degree Fahrenheit. Now, range of laboratory thermometer. Range, the lowest point and the highest point that can be measured by a thermometer, that is known as range of thermometer. So laboratory thermometer measured temperature minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Minus 10 degrees Celsius. हाँ बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा. minus 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. और स्कूल लेबोरेटरी जो हम लोग के स्कूल के लैब में है वो क्या है 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अब नाउ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर. This thermometer is used for measuring the temperature of human body. So this thermometer is especially designed. What special structure it has? The temperature range of the clinical thermometer is 35 degree to 42 degrees Celsius one. That's the temperature range of the human body. है ना? Clinical thermometer having the range of 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And next, one special arrangement present in the clinical thermometer, it is constriction. What is constriction? It enables the mercury does not fall itself after use.
A slight bend or kink.
Constriction means it have obstacle, बाधा, है ना? Constriction मतलब बाधा. इसको when the thermometer used
नाम की लड़की पढ़ती है क्या?
in the normal case, she tested in the normal case when the mercury thermometer is used, and after taking the temperature, when it is put, the mercury fall itself, mercury thread fall itself, अपने आप fall कर जाता है जब टेम्परेचर एटमॉस्फेरिक टेम्परेचर ये ले करके, माने एटमॉस्फेरिक टेम्परेचर, यहाँ तो मरकरी का थर्मोमीटर हाई था ना, टेम्परेचर ज्यादा था तो एटमॉस्फेयर में टेम्परेचर को क्या कर दिया, रिलीव कर दिया. लेकिन इफ doctor thermometer is taken for measuring the human body temperature, it have constriction, bend or kink that ensure that the mercury thread does not fall back itself after the thermometer is used. It is placed on a stand. When the doctor having the time, then the doctor takes the temperature, read the temperature and note down in the notebook. So this thermometer is useful for the doctor. That's why this thermometer is known as what? Clinical thermometer and doctor's thermometer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now, method of heat transfer. Method transfer of heat. There are three methods. Transfer of transfer of heat. So conduction. ऑर्डर में भी सभी conduction, solid, convection, liquid and gas, and the radiator. Radiation. No material medium. है ना? Conduction is the prominent method for heating of solid. What happens in conduction? Energy transfer from one solid molecules to another and another molecules to next one. In this way, energy pass from one end to another end. There is a activity have given in a book. What activity? Here a rod is taken. All of you, most of you have done this activity. So one rod is taken and rod is covered with the wax, and wax having 4 or 5 buttons. And धीरे धीरे रॉड में फैलेगा. So in the conduction method, heat transfer from one molecule to another and another to next one. So when the rod is taken and heating is started from one end of the, what happened? Heat is transferred from one end to another end. This can be seen by looking the button that is stick to the metal rod. The first button will fall which is nearest to the heating point, है ना? पहले कौन बटन वो गिरेगा? कॉल कर है जो हीटिंग पॉइंट से नियरेस्ट है ना? और फिर उसके बाद जैसे जैसे हीट ट्रांसफर होगा वैसे वैसे जो है वो बटन जो है हाँ गिरेगा। तो सब लोग तुम लोग कंडक्शन फिर पढ़ना, क्योंकि यूज ऑफ कंडक्शन मेथड और कन्वेक्शन एंड रेडिएशन, क्या? हाँ, इसी चैप्टर को फिर पढ़ाएंगे, फिर पूछेंगे। हाँ, इसी चैप्टर को पढ़ाएंगे और लास्ट में 2 दिन के बाद इसको पूछेंगे। 2 पेन दो ना। हाँ, कल पूछेंगे। क्या ऑनलाइन वाले के लिए?